Hello everyone, I am Anapinishwari L, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, ECE branch and second semester. Subject is about waste management and in that topic is waste characteristics, chemical and physical. What is waste management? The waste generated from human and animal activities that are normally solid and are discarded as useless or unwanted are called solid waste. Anyways, unwanted or discarded material that is not a liquid or a gas is called solid waste. The urban solid waste generated from domestic and commercial activities are called municipal solid waste. It is estimated that at present India produces 42 million tons of municipal solid waste annually. Urban local bodies spend about rupees 500 to 1500 per ton on solid waste, of which 60 to 70% of the amount is for collection of waste alone, 20 to 30% on transportation. Hardly limited funds is spent on treatment and disposal of waste. Waste characteristics. In order to identify the exact characteristics of municipal waste, it is necessary that we analyze them using physical and chemical parameters. First one, physical characteristics, and second one, chemical characteristics. Physical characteristics. The physical parameter of municipal solid waste characterized are particle size, distribution, geometric and classification of waste, moisture and organic matter content, unit weight and temperature of the landfill's waste, the amount of waste that is generated, and what kind of material like paper, plastic, glass. When we go for the treatment process, we have an idea like what kind of waste is generated in a particular locality. Based on that waste, they needed to set up the machinery for the treatment process. Information and data on physical characteristics of solid waste are important for the selection and operation of equipment and for the analysis and design of disposal facilities. The physical characteristics are classified under three types: density, moisture content, and size. Density. Density of waste, that is its mass per unit volume, is a critical factor in the design of solid waste management system. Example, the design of sanitary landfill storage, types of collection and transport vehicle, etc. Density is nothing but mass per volume. Density plays very important role in one of the physical parameter. To explain, an efficient operation on a landfill demands a compaction of waste to optimum density. Any normal compaction equipment can achieve reduction in volume of waste by 75%, which increases an initial density of 100 kg per meter cube to 400 kg per meter cube. Now, second one, moisture content. Moisture content is defined as the ratio of weight of water, that is wet weight minus dry weight, to the total weight of the wet waste. Moisture increases the weight of solid waste and hereby the cost of collection and transport. In addition, moisture content is a critical determinant in the economic feasibility of waste treatment by incineration, because wet weight consumes energy for evaporation of water and in raising the temperature of water vapor. If we have a look at industries, whether it is a small scale or large scale, If a waste is generated by our waste, it should be treated by ourselves as an industrial person. If he is not able to handle the waste, he need to give wages for the external person, and he need to uh, tell them like you need to segregate this waste, and you need to give the municipal that is tied up with that particular industry. If more moisture content, more weight, it can be used for fermentation also. Now, and it is a very important physical component in moisture content. Now, size. Measurement of size distribution of particle in waste stream is important because of its significance in the design of mechanical separators and shaders. Generally, the results of size distribution analysis are expressed in manner used for soil particles analysis. That is to say, they are expressed as a plot of particle size in mm against the percentage less than a given value. Size of each solid waste particle is varied. It should have its own volume, own weight, own size. Whether the particle is bigger in size, it should be break and compressed, and then it is sent to the treatment process. Chemical characteristics. What is chemical characteristics? Knowledge of the classification of chemical compounds and their characteristics is essential for the proper understanding of the behavior of waste. The product of decomposition and heating values of are two examples of chemical characteristics. If solid wastes are to be used as fuel or used for any other process, we must know their chemical characteristics, including the following, such as lipids, carbohydrates, proteins, natural fibers, synthetic organic material, that is plastic, non-combustible, and last one, heating values. In this class of compounds includes fats, oils and grease. The physical principal source of lipids are garbage, cooking oil and fats. Lipids have high heating values, about 38,000 kilojoule per kilogram, which makes waste with high lipid content suitable for energy recovery. Since lipids becomes liquid at room temperature, slightly above ambient, they add to the content liquid content during waste decomposition. Though they are biodegradable, the rate of biodegradation is relatively slow because lipids have a low solubility in water. Carbohydrates. These are found primarily in food and yard waste, which encompasses sugar and the polymers of sugar, like example starch, cellulose, etc., with formula CH2O into X. Carbohydrates are readily biodegraded to products such as carbon dioxide, water, and methane. Decomposing carbohydrates abstracts, files, and rats, and therefore should not be left exposed for long duration. It Third one, proteins. These are compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, and consist of an organic acid with a substitutable amine group, that is NH2. They are mainly found in food and garden wastes. The particle decomposition of these compounds can result in the production of amines that have unpleasant odors. Odors means smell. Natural fibers. These are found in paper products, food and yard waste and includes the natural compounds like cellulose and lignin that are resist to biodegradation. Because they are highly combustible solid waste having a high proportion of paper and wood products. They are suitable for incineration. Calorific values of oven dried paper products are in the range of 12,000 to 18,000 kilojoule per kg and wood about 20,000 kilojoule per kg and for oil is 44,200 kilojoule per kg. Synthetic organic material, that is plastic, accounting for 1 to 10%, plastics have become a significant component of solid waste in recent years. They are highly resistant to biodegradation and therefore are objectable and of special concern in solid waste management. Plastics have a high heating value, about 32,000 kilojoule per kilogram, which makes them very suitable for incineration. But you must note that polyvinyl chloride, when burned, produces dioxin and acid gas. The latter increases corrosion in the combustion system and in the responsible for acid rain. Sixth one, non-combustible. This class includes glass, greenish metals, dusts and ashes and accounts for 12 to 25% of dry solids. Heating values. An evaluation of the potential of waste material for the use as fuel for incineration requires a determination of its heating values expressed as kilojoule per kilogram. The heating value is determined experimentally using Bob calorimetric test, in which the heat generated at a constant temperature of 25 degrees Celsius from the combustion of dry sample is measured. Since the test temperature is below the boiling point of water, that is 100 degrees Celsius, the combustion water remains in the liquid state. However, during combustion, the temperature of the combustion gas reaches about 100 degrees Celsius and the resultant water is in the vapor form. Thank you for watching.